Hi, Vane. I hear you are taking geology, and I hear you have been learning about plate tectonics. And I wanted to tell you about a personal experience with them and ask you a few questions. So, yeah, I used to live in California, as you know, and we experienced a lot of earthquakes there.
Yes, places like California actually experience earthquakes very often because they sit on the boundary between the Pacific plates and the North American plates.
I have always wondered, what are these plates exactly?
So actually, the Earth's outer shell is called the lithosphere and it is divided into several pieces known as the tectonic plates.
And why do these plates move? Can't they just stay still?
So actually, they move due to the heat from the Earth's interior currents in the mantle, and these can be described in three different types of boundaries, which are divergent, convergent, and transform.
Oh, so what happens at each of these?
So actually, at divergent, they move apart from each other. Convergent, they move towards each other, and transform, they move slide past each other, which can lead to earthquakes, like the one that we know, like the San Andreas Fault.
I have one last question. How do these people know all this? How do they know it's not a lie?
So actually, there's plenty of evidence. Some of it's the fit of the continents, fossil records, and the distribution of earthquakes and volcanoes along plate boundaries. Actually, all of this supports this big theory.
Wow, everything is very interesting. By any chance, do you have any experiences with the plate tectonics?
Actually, I do. When I was little, about 8 years old, I used to live in Mexico City with my family, and we experienced a lot of earthquakes. However, it was a very scary experience because usually earthquakes in Mexico happen very often, and they are known for their big intensities. And this is due to the location of the city itself near active tectonic plates and the geological conditions of the area. I remember everyone being really scared and running out of their houses, and the houses actually were moving as well as the stairs. It was very scary.
It was all very interesting. Thank you.
You're welcome, and I agree, it was very interesting.